this is how you can calculate the last working day of the month in Excel. So the first thing to do, of course, we shall calculate exactly the date when this month will end, and in our cell we shall say equals end of month, open brackets, the start date, comma, and for the month portion we shall say 0, because we want to know exactly when this month is ending, close brackets, hit enter key on your keyboard. So to calculate and understand the exact last working day of that month, we shall come over to this cell and start typing equals end of month. We give our start date, comma, the month portion, of course we give a 0, close brackets. I will say +1 because I want to move to the next month start date. Exclude weekends. I will come back to the start of my formula and use a formula called Workdays International, open brackets, comma, then you say -1, comma, and from here now you can select your weekends, and for my case I use Saturday and Sunday as the weekends, so I'll put 1, close brackets, hit enter key on the keyboard. So we can drag this formula to the rest of the cells. And after you do that, because I've used conditional formatting, you'll see that, for example, April will end on the 30th, but the last working day will be Friday 29th. The same with July. July will end on the 31st, but the last working day will be Friday 29th. As well as December will end on 31st, but the last working day will be Friday 30th. If this video was helpful, comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos like this.